of Gangubai Kathiawadi is at a peaceful state of mind as the shooting of the much-awaited film has finally come to an end. The director of the film, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, looked back at the 2-year journey of Gangubai Kathiawadi and recalled how they began shooting on 27 December 2019. The team had to stop the shooting in March 2020 due to COVID. SLB further mentioned that they were supposed to release the film in October 2020, but they finally wrapped up shooting last month on June 26, 2021. When SLB was questioned if it's been his most difficult film till date, the director said that he doesn't know if it was the most difficult because each of his films brings its own share of agony. Bhansali further recalled how Padmavat was shot in the midst of rising protests by fringe groups accusing the filmmaker of distorting history. Recalling the violent protest against Padmavat, Bhansali said, "It was crazy. Through all of it, I was more worried about my mother and happy that she was with me. I don't know how I'd survived without her at my side." She kept saying, "मेरे बेटे के साथ ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? वो इतनी अच्छी फिल्में बनाता है." My mother was my pillar of strength. The director, who many consider the finest living filmmaker of India, feels that the obstacles that come in the way of his creativity help him grow as a filmmaker. Meanwhile, Alia Bhatt took to Instagram to make the announcement of the wrap of the film. She shared some BTS pictures from the sets, and in one of them we see her along with the director of the film, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. We started shooting Gangubai on the 8th of December 2019 and we wrapped the film now 2 years later. This film and set has been through 2 lockdowns, 2 cyclones, director and actor getting COVID during the making. The troubles the set has faced is another film altogether, Alia wrote as she shared the pictures. Gangubai Kathiawadi is due to hit theatres this year. However, the COVID-19 pandemic has led to uncertainty among filmmakers whether the film should be released in theatres or an OTT platform. The trailer of the film had already won everyone's hearts. Alia and Sanjay Leela Bhansali were seen greeting the media on the director's birthday and after the trailer launch. The film will also feature Ajay Devgan in the role of a gangster.